Hi everyone, in this video I want to give you a tip of how to get things done when you don't have big chunks of time. When I was in college, I remember I had to write this story for an English class, and I was dreading it and I was really uninspired. So I took a notebook, and between classes, I usually had anywhere from like 15 minutes to maybe an hour. So I took a notebook that day, and in between classes, I wrote a little bit. And this proved really valuable for a couple of reasons. Number one, especially when you have to write something, if you're feeling uninspired sitting there for an hour or two, you don't get very far. So in small chunks of time, it's really easy to get an idea and write it down, and then your subconscious thinks about it. Your mind kind of like cooks it. And then in the next 10 or 15 minute chunk of time, you've got another idea. So you keep building on it. Now, this can go for if you have to write something, or maybe even if you have to do some cleaning at home. In 10 minutes, you can get a bathroom cleaned. In 20 minutes, you can get a room vacuumed. Anyway, just give it a try. No matter what you're trying to do, if you've got a small chunk of time, chunk out the goal and work a little bit as you go. And that English paper, I wrote the whole thing in one day in between classes in small chunks of time, and I got an A+. In fact, my instructor said that it was an excellent story, and I think it was because I didn't try to sit myself down in a 2-hour time span and write the whole thing. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.